Welcome back again, in a new video on channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the default app's installation location, and files. It is useful in case you have more than one partition and you need to keep the system partition dedicated for system, or you want to save space in system partition. Now let's start steps. In the search bar, search for storage settings and select it. Go to change where new content is saved. Now as you see, this is the locations you can change apps, documents, music, photos, and movies. Here I will change the app default installation location to partition D. Let's see the changes will be there. There are 3 folder created: New Profile folder, New Program File folder, and Windows App folder. Don't forget to like the video, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell, to be notified with the new videos. Thanks for watching.